So I am back to create my layout with this beautiful background paper that I showed you in the kit. If you missed my kit share, I will go ahead and link that in either the description box below. I'll add a card or I'll put it at the end. I did decide to bring in some things from my stash. I didn't have that in the original when I was showing you the actual what came in my kit, because this was one that I purchased from the Clique Kit Club. Ooh, okay, that was a mouthful. So here I am. One of these did come in the kit, so that's, you saw this before. I knew it looked familiar. I bought these in Tuesday morning back in 2019, and I actually bought 2 sets of these puffy stickers. So ridiculous. I have 3. I have this other chipboard. These are Project Life chipboard. Sorry for the glare if you see any. These I also got in some kind of box. They're gold foiled, and they're from Gossamer Blue. Foiled foam, it's called. And then I also have these. I'm not 100% sure as to who the manufacturer is, but I do have this set of chipboard. There's a lot of these corally colors in here, so I figured I might as well try to see if any of those would work. I don't know if any of it is going to work, but I thought I would just bring it in. And these are just some things that I have brought along. My photo corners. I brought in this tag. I have my gold foiled title. I have a small doodlebug doily and some things from my my sticker binder, my color sticker binder. And then I also have these 2 punched out partial pieces of vellum in green. So, and I do have my photo. There's a super funny story, so I'm going to try to tell it in this particular layout. But this is the photo I'm going to be working with, and it is double matted here, if you can see that. And I think that's it. I'm going to show you what I came up with. Be back. Okay, so we are back with the finished layout, and I'm going to walk you through just some of the items that I ended up landing with in terms of selection. The most part, you saw a lot of these different embellishments I had pulled into the kit. I remembered that I also had this wood veneer, very appropriate because she's driving in a car. I'm going to do the journaling here in just a few minutes. But let me walk through the clusters. So here you have this camera. I just backed it with a scrap piece of green paper because I wanted it to pop a little bit. And I put the date here on a die cut that I had pulled from my color binder. I used one of the puffies there and used a cluster of enamel dots and a sequin, keeping in tradition with kind of the foiled look up here. So I bring that there, and you'll also see the same cluster here. I went ahead and backed it with the smaller doily. I pulled the puffy here. I have a couple of the different die cuts, the green anchoring this back here, the geotag here in terms of the wood veneer. I went ahead and used one of those chipboard pieces here obviously the tag, another one of those vellum die cuts here, and a partial piece of the die cut there, and the wood veneer. The title, just in this corner, kind of like an L shape to the design, and I anchored the title on these two hearts with this foiled arrow, again from my color binder. Used another puffy here so that there's this same puffy element in all three clusters, and then a variation on the enamel dots, same foiled sequin and the same enamel dot for the coral, but instead of the enamel dot green, because I thought it would get lost on here, I used a jewel. So that is it. I'm gonna I also before I forget, I also did put photo corners on my photo, and popped up my photo on foam. I think that's the only other change that I made. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna journal here before putting it away. And yeah, that will complete my layout. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will stay tuned for the next layout that I create with this kit. See you soon. Bye for now.